So you guys are all engaged in the same basic endeavor? What's the proper word?
Restoration.
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 How many wells are we talking about in Oklahoma that need to be restored?
Somewhere between 40 to 50,000 well locations that might need to be addressed or looked at. Now, they may all not need restoration, but there's quite a few to go.
What's the basic cost involved in restoring a well?
It can be as low as $1,000 to $50,000 to $100,000. Just depends on how much the landowner owns and how much oil field activity was out there.
Who's responsible ultimately for paying it?
The royalty owners and the producers put money into the program to clean up all these abandoned back when they didn't have any laws or rules governing what they could do out there.
Interesting. So, I mean, is there an obligation?
It's
period of time?
voluntary.
It's voluntary.
All of the producers in Oklahoma and royalty owners voluntarily put money into the fund to clean up these sites.
That's, what is the word for that? Responsible.
Yes.